Good morning, my dear children. Today I take your not live class. Today I take your the video class because your syllabus is complete and French exam and moral science exam is just knocking at the door. So today we take your video class. So you have to practice it. Today I give you not new topic start because our syllabus is complete. I have to give some suggestion about the French and the moral science. So at first put the date. Today's date is 26th August 2021. Day is Thursday. Subject French and moral science. First one French, second one moral science. And today topic not revision. I give you some suggestion which type of things come in your half yearly exam. Your French syllabus is lesson number 5, 6 and 7. Those lessons I have give some suggestion. You have to open your copy. I dictate your suggestion. Okay. So at first open lesson number 5. Just wait. $20 marks already cover. So half yearly exam in 30. 20 plus 30, 50 marks. I repeatedly told you those people had not attended the French test which already happened in Thursday. So please contact me. I have to give some suggestion which thing you have to do. And today I give you some suggestion about the 30 marks because 20 marks already done and 20 marks left, 30 marks left. I give some suggestion about the 30 marks. So at first open lesson number 5. Yes, lesson number 5. Lesson number 5. Just wait. Find out météo féminine. Météo féminine. That is very important. Lesson number 5. Météo féminine. Just wait for 1 minute. Yes. Météo féminine. You have to find it out. Météo féminine. Okay. Next one. Météo pluriel. That means put in plural form. At first météo feminine, that means convert in feminine form. Here is a masculine form, you have to convert in feminine form. Next one météo plurial, that means I give you some in singular form, you have to convert in plural form. Next one compléter avec l'article défini. Compléter avec l'article défini, that is all are including lesson number 5, lesson number 6 and lesson number 7. You have to find it out. I give him some tips. First one météo feminine, second one météo plurial, third one complete the blanks with the definite article, fourth one the conjugate the verb, conjugate the verb, conjugate a verb with the, that is fill in the blanks with the verb aller. Fill in the blanks with the verb aller. Okay. So I have to repeat again. At first, in lesson number 5, lesson number 6 and lesson number 7, including 3 lessons, I told you these topics you have to check it. First one, convert in feminine form, that is météo feminine. Second one, météo plurial, that means convert in singular form to plural form. That is very important. Number 3, fill in the blanks with definite article. Fill in the blanks with definite article. Okay. I repeat again, fill in the blanks with the definite articles. First one dash number fee, second one stilo, third one afa, fourth one garçon, fifth one homme. Okay. And fourth one, conjugate verb aller, that fill in the blanks with the help of the verb aller. Aller means to go. Fill in the blanks with the help of verb aller. So 4 topics you have to practice it in lesson number 4, lesson number 5, lesson number 6, and lesson number, including the 3 lesson. You have to find it out. The feminine form, convert in feminine form, all are the feminine form. You have to practice it. Meteo plural, all the plural form, whatever I give in this lesson, you have to practice it. Complete avec le verb article, fill in the blanks with the definite articles, and conjugate le verb aller. That means fill in the blanks with the verb of aller. So this type of 4 topics, feminine, plural, definite articles, and verb aller, you have to practice it in lesson number 5, 6, and 7. I again told you, if you any problem, any doubt, call between 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. If I not receive the call, sometimes I have to busy that, or I take the online class. After the class, I will call you. Don't worry about that. Okay? And you, anytime you have to ask some questions or any doubts by email, I have to respond to your questions. Okay? So I give some suggestion about the French. Next one, the moral science. Next one, I give you the moral science. So everybody open the book. The 20 marks project already covered, so only for 30 marks for moral science. 20 marks already including the project, you have to edit the project, and 30 marks in including the written test in 30 marks. Okay. So at first, open the page number 8. Page number 8, there is a 6 blanks. You have to practice it. That is very important. These 6 blanks is very important. Okay. Now go to the next one. Page number 11. Question time. Fill in the blanks with the help of these words. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Okay. You have to practice it. The 5th blank, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to practice it. Okay. Number 3. Next one. Go to the page number 15. The Bernard Shaw, this chapter. Question time, you have to practice it. The 6th question, you have to practice it. That is very, very important. Next one. Go to the page number 19. Complete the sentence with correct word. Okay. There is the 5 question. There are 5 blanks. You have to practice in your home. Okay. And next one, there is answer the question. You have to practice it. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 question, you have to practice it. So I again repeat on first one, page number 8, question time. That is fill in the blanks with the help of these words. Okay. Next one, go to the page number 11. That is also the fill in the blanks. Next one, chapter number 4, how to succeed Bernard Shaw. That this chapter, page number 15, you have to practice is the 6th question. Next one, go to the page number 19, the question time, fill in the blank, that is very important, and also answer this question, the 5 question. This is your suggestion for your moral science. So I have already given the French and moral science suggestion. You have to practice it. I again told you, if you any doubt, any query, call me 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. between this time. And if you any query, you also write in the email. I have to answer your problem. Okay. And to French and GK, 20 marks already given the test, 30 marks in your half yearly exam. So I again told you, those people, I already given the list in the class 5 volume group. Those people have not attended the GK and moral science test, immediately call me. How to do it, I told you. And 20 marks already given, and next 30 marks in your half yearly exam. So total 20 plus 30, you have 50. And moral science 20 marks project and 30 marks written. Okay, I think everybody clear for that. Again I told you, if you any problem, call me. I have to rectify your problem. So today is for that. Best of luck for your exam. Till then, bye bye.